Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Google Calendar. Notion offers an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, integrating various functions into a single platform. Google Calendar, conversely, is a specialized tool designed purely for scheduling and time management. Your choice largely depends on whether you seek a comprehensive organizational hub or a dedicated, efficient calendar application. We will explore their unique strengths to help you decide which best suits your needs. Notion truly shines in its ability to integrate diverse elements like tasks, notes, and databases directly with calendar views. Imagine linking a detailed project page to a specific deadline on your calendar. It provides highly customizable templates, allowing you to tailor workflows for anything from personal goal tracking to complex team projects. This flexibility makes it a powerful tool for managing more than just your schedule. Google Calendar, on the other hand, excels in its straightforward approach to event scheduling and reminders. Its seamless integration with other Google services, such as Gmail and Google Meet, makes organizing meetings incredibly efficient. Features like shared calendars simplify collaboration, allowing teams to coordinate schedules effortlessly. For dedicated time management and quick event creation, Google Calendar offers unmatched simplicity and speed. Ultimately, choosing between Notion and Google Calendar depends on your primary needs. If you require a comprehensive workspace that combines robust project management, note-taking, and scheduling, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your main goal is efficient, dedicated time management, and event scheduling, Google Calendar is superior. Many users find significant value in utilizing both tools in conjunction, leveraging each for its unique strengths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.